Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to reveal my newest Mona tote bag in my collection. Here she is. I have been loving this bag. I'm sure you have an idea already which tote bag it is. And so let me show you. This is my newest collection. It's the Mona GM size tote bag. She's so beautiful. It's the biggest size and it is in blue indigo with a gold M logo in 3D. It is just so stunning. The logo amazed me. I think Mona is very clever in making this style. It is quite gruesome to duplicate. Very hard to make replicas of this bag. Yeah, I love it so much. This is her. She comes with a cognac color for the strap and the lining, and it has the Macaron Mona logo in the middle and the tri-colored ribbon, pinkish red. This is like the same as their signature color, and this one is like a teal. Inside is the same as my other tote bag. It has the red interior canvas lining, maroonish red, dark red, and it comes with its logo inside, made in France. So beautiful. So now I have two of them. This one. So I have this as well, and if you have seen my video unboxing for this last year and the dimensions and details of this bag, please go ahead and check. It was uploaded before this video. Yeah, so this one is so beautiful. It has the cognac color for the shoulder strap. It is so pristine, very durable looking, and it has the cognac thread as well to match the strap. It's very lightweight, and I know this is going to be a very durable bag. So this is good for daily and weekend getaway. Absolutely, these tote bags are the best tote bags right now in the market. It is made in France. The price is reasonable and the style is so unique, very luxurious. It's very pretty and it's not common, so low-key. That is it for my video today. I'm very excited. Isn't she gorgeous? And yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna put all my cute bag charms every time I take this out with me. She's so pretty. I hope you enjoyed my short video today, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to your friends to support my channel. Thank you and have a good day wherever you are.